Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we'll see strings in Python. So when it comes to strings, let's say whatever you have to specify these quotations. So whatever your text which you are giving inside the quotations, it will consider by default Python will consider that as a string. It's not. Let's try with one thing like Python. Now let's try to print X. So here we can see this is how it works actually. In the same way, like let's say you wanted to access any particular element from the string, so in that case you have to mention the index of that specific string. So in string by default index starts from 0. Here it is done. If you give x of 0 here, it will give p. So same way, if you give n, sorry, if you give 5, it will give the this is how you can access the variables. And when it comes to, like, if you wanted to access any variable, any characters inside the string from left to right, index starts from 0 and ends with the maximum -1. So in this case, let's say if you wanted to access the elements from right to left, so in that case you can give -1. -1 will give the last number. So when it comes to, when you are accessing elements from left to right inside the string, it starts with 0. When you are want to access the elements from right to left inside the string, it starts with the -1. So we can just simply check the type of the string by simply giving. So this is what. So here if you check the type, this is how it will give the type of the variable. So this is how strings works in Python. So this is all about strings, guys. Let's see what all the different methods which are available in the string in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. We'll catch up in the next video.